Mga pamangkin, good day. This is part 2, how to find your ideal man or woman. My nephews and nieces, before you enter a relationship, make sure to love yourself first. Why? How can you love someone if you don't love yourself? You cannot give what you don't have. God says, love your neighbor as yourself. He did not say, love your neighbor only, but also yourself. Let me give you an example. Let's say you found your partner, true love, the real thing, genuine love, caring, loving, your ideal partner, your dream girl or dream man. For a while, you'll be happy, you'll be overwhelmed, you are in a cloud nine. But in the long run, you will have doubt. You will tell yourself, this is too good to be true. You will tell yourself, you don't deserve him. You don't deserve this love. I am not worthy of the love that I am having. Self-doubt creep in and you will start to destroy your relationship. Being jealous to everyone or everything. Being jealous to his or her friend, her family. Everyone he talks to or she talks to. You are threatened. You think you can be replaced by anyone. So you start making demands. Don't talk to this guy or girl. Now you become possessive of him or her. Now the relationship is toxic. Not because he changed, but you changed. Because you doubted yourself. Because you think you're not worthy of his or her love. Being possessive or jealous is cute, but in the long run, it is a poison to the relationship. Now you know it is important to love yourself first before you enter in a relationship. If you have any question, clarification, violent reaction, comment down below. I'll be happy to answer your queries in the best of my ability. Take care and God bless.